Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could change your channel's currency. So click on your browser to open, make sure that you're connected to YouTube or to your Gmail account, and open YouTube in your browser. Next step, you want to click on your channel's picture and click on YouTube Studio. From here, go to the left panel, scroll to the bottom, and see there are settings here. Under Settings, under the General tab, you will see Default Units, Currency, and you can change from US dollar to the local currency which you are using. Let's say I want to change to Czech crowns. I'll select, click Save, and once it said settings saved, the currency has been updated. If you click again on Settings, you will see that the currency has been updated. However, remember that revenue is converted from US dollars based on historical conversion rate. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.